Hi everybody, today I will share with you how I did a flat pan hole, starting by the black needle, one in the front, one in the back, like you usually do with your machine. I did not use the level on the side for flat or circular knitting option. I just keep it like it's supposed to be, no flat panel mode. So I put my yarn under the big red bump and it grab it. If you don't put under the bump, it will not grab the stitch correctly. So you always have to go after your black needle, you pass one big bump of red and you come back. Always put it like this. Make sure you go up and take your pick, your hook like this, and you push down your stitch. You have to use that little instrument, so you pass in front of the big loop, big red bump, and then you come here and you have to be under. Oops, not under, there. So that's down, and then you go back, and here is have to be lower with the hook, pass through the red bump, come back, and always slow down when you get to the end like this. Make sure all your yarn go the place it needs to go. This, going back, always pass through your stitch like this. Make sure you grab the yarn with the big bump of red after the last stitch. So voila, this is the quick, oops, see, you really have to go there and then you crank. It's very important, so that way you have a edge that is equal and look great at the end. So this is a little quick video. So I wish you a great day. See you next time for a new video next week. Oh sorry, I forgot show you how to count it. So you're gonna count the bar. You can see, I will show it another way. Start on the teeth. 11, 12, 13. I have 13 rows. So see you for next video next week. Ciao ciao, and have fun and never give up.